How to fix Viber not sending photos. If you are facing this kind of issue where in the Viber you can send photos, then follow these steps to resolve it. Firstly, check for updates that may be available for the Viber app. Open Play Store or App Store on your device and search for the Viber application. Now here, if you see an option to update, click on the update option to update your app. Now open settings on your device and go to the Wi-Fi option. Sometimes, maybe because of your network lag, the photos might not be sending. If your current network is lagging, then you can click on Forget this network and re-add the same network or a different one. Now go back to your previous page and scroll down. Select the option General and tap on iPhone Storage. Inside iPhone Storage, go to the search bar on the top and search for Viber application. Now click on Offload app and again tap on the Offload app option from the bottom panel. Now go back to your home page and give your device a quick restart. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.